Hey guys, wanna know how to log into your account in GeeksforGeeks in your mobile and your browser? It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, if you open your GeeksforGeeks application, you should be provided with this prompt directly, which is super easy, but for browser, you need to do something else. Right here, when your browser opens, right here on the top left, you can see this hamburger icon. Simply press on it and here you can see sign in. And there you go. After you've done it, the prompt should be just similar to our application and the steps are same. Just simply type in your registered email, and if you haven't signed up, there is a video that we have made. So just make sure to check it out. And now once you have filled in your credentials, so simply select continue. Now if you haven't confirmed your email, make sure to do it. And once the verification is done, just simply select continue. And there you go. Now you are successfully logged into your account in GeeksforGeeks. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.